Welcome, 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 welcome. If you were watching this right now, I want you to stop everything else. Put your phone down, close those other tabs, because what I am about to show you in the next is something real, something that most people talk about, but very few actually prove. My name is John from Richminded Skills, and today I am going to walk you through a complete live trading session on a real account. No demo, no simulation, no fake numbers. A real account, real money, real results. We started this account with just over $500, and by the end of this session, as you will see on screen, the profit crossed $1,000, more than doubling the account in a single session. Now, I am not here to impress you. I am here to teach you, because there is a big difference between showing off and showing the way. And today, I am showing you the way. So let us begin. Stay with me all the way to the end. Every minute of this video has something for you, whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has been trading for years and is still struggling. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I want to do is show you exactly where we are starting from. No secrets, full transparency. You can see right here on the MetaTrader 5 platform, the balance of this account is $589.33. That is our starting point today. The equity is $1,663. You can already see the positions are running and they are positive, but I will explain all of that in a moment. The margin level, look at this number, 2,590%. That is a very healthy margin level. It means the account is not under stress. The trades are well managed. There is plenty of breathing room. Now, free margin is $1,599. This means even while trades are running, we still have flexibility to act if the market requires it. And down here at the bottom, total profit floating right now is $1,074.07. From $589 to over $1,600 in equity. That is more than double. And this happened because of the system we are using, which I'm going to break down for you right now. So, let me take you into the two main tools that made this possible. The first tool and the engine behind all these trades is called FlipDemon VX. FlipDemon VX is an expert advisor, an EA. In simple words, it is a trading robot that runs inside MetaTrader 5 and executes trades automatically, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, without you needing to sit at a screen. Now, you can see on the chart right here, you can see the label at the top, FlipDemon VX, Best Forex Robot. And at the bottom of the chart, it says FlipDemon VX Activated. This confirms the robot is live, it is running, and it is in control. This is not a random robot. FlipDemon VX was built by the 5-Star Wealth Forum, powered by special artificial intelligence. It does not guess. It analyzes the market using advanced logic, identifies high-probability setups, and then places the trade at exactly the right moment. Now, let me show you the trades it placed. You can see them at the bottom of the screen. 5 buy positions on XAUUSD, that's gold versus the US dollar. All placed on the 2nd of April 2026, all entered at prices between 4,581 and 4,582. Every single trade is in profit, every single one. The robot entered at the right level, the market moved in the direction it predicted, and the profit is building. Entry volume, 0.05 lots per trade. That is disciplined position sizing. Not greedy, not reckless, controlled, professional. This is what a real automated trading system looks like when it is working correctly. Now, the robot is powerful, but a robot alone is not enough. You need confirmation. You need to know, is this trade aligned with what the real market is doing? is the big money, the institutional money moving in the same direction. That's where the second tool comes in, the JOJO V8 Market Analyzer. You can see this on screen right now. This is a dashboard built by Richminded, and it monitors over 38 currency pairs and metals all at once, on every time frame, from the weekly down to the 15-minute chart. Look at XAUUSD, gold, here in the metals section. You can see the structure reading. It shows BOS bull. That means break of structure bullish. The market broke above a key swing high. Buyers are confirmed to be in control. Now, look at the probability reading, 60.6%. Some people see that and say, oh, that's not a high probability. But I want to teach you something important here. In trading, 60% probability with proper risk management is excellent. Professional traders don't need 90%. They need consistency and discipline. Now, look at the step-by-step trade plan that JOJO generated. It says, no trade right now. Wait for price to reach the 47.18 to 47.34 zone, then look for a bullish engulfing candle. This is the power of confirmation. The robot entered earlier at the right level. The JOJO analyzer confirmed the structure is bullish. They are aligned. The trade is valid. And look at the RSI. It's sitting at 50, neutral. That means momentum is balanced, not overextended. Good conditions to let the trade breathe. This is how we trade here, with data, with structure, with patience.
Now let me walk you through what is happening on this chart, step by step, so you can understand exactly what the robot saw before it entered. We are on the XAUUSD H1 chart. That means gold, 1 hour time frame. Each candle here represents 1 hour of price action. If you look from the left side of the chart, starting around the 25th of March, you can see price was moving up, then consolidating, then pushing higher again. The overall trend has been bullish, higher highs, higher lows. That is a textbook uptrend. Now, as we come to the right side of the chart, you can see the price pulled back. It came down slightly. And this is where FlipDemon VX did its job. It identified that this pullback was not a reversal. It was a retracement, a brief pause before the next move up. And at exactly the right moment, the 23rd of March in the morning, the robot entered 5 buy positions right here. You can see the entry markers on the chart. Beautiful entries right at the base of what became a strong bullish move. The take profit level was set to 4,624.969. And look at where price is right now. It is approaching that level. Every pip of movement between the entry and the target is money in the account. This is the power of trading with a system. No emotion, no second guessing, no let me wait a little more or let me close it early because I am scared. The robot follows the rules every single time. This is the part that people love, watching the numbers grow. Look at the open trades right now on screen. Trade 1, $213.59 profit. Trade 2, $213.37 profit. Trade 3, $213.21 profit. Trade 4, $219.55 profit. Trade 5, $213.63 profit. 5 trades, all in profit, all at the same time. And right here at the bottom, the combined profit right now is $1,074.07, growing. Every tick of the market adds more. Now, I want you to understand something. This is not magic. This is not luck. This is a system that has been set up correctly, with proper risk management, on the right pair, in the right market condition, at the right time. The balance started at $589.
The equity is now $1,663. That is an increase of over $1,000 in one session on a live account. And here's the thing that amazes people the most. While these trades were running, I did not sit here clicking buttons. The robot handled everything. I simply monitored. I confirmed the setup with the JOJO analyzer, and I let the system do what it was built to do. That's what financial freedom looks like in practice. Your money working for you, your system working for you, while you focus on other things. Now, I need to stop for a moment, because I know what some of you watching this are thinking. Some of you have tried Forex before. You lost money. Someone scammed you, or you tried on your own and the market took everything. And now you're watching this with a little bit of suspicion, a little bit of pain. I understand that, and I respect that, because that experience is real. But let me ask you something honestly. When you tried Forex before, did you have a proper system? Did you have a confirmed robot like FlipDemon VX? Did you have a market analyzer like JOJO to tell you when to enter and when to stay out? Did you have a mentor? Did you have a community? Or did you just download MetaTrader, open an account, and start clicking buy and sell based on YouTube videos and gut feelings? Be honest with yourself, because that's the difference. That's why some people lose and others win. It's not the market. The market is the same for everyone. It's the preparation, it's the tools, it's the knowledge. A doctor does not walk into surgery without years of training. A pilot does not fly a plane without understanding the instrument panel. And a trader should not trade without a proven system, confirmed signals, and proper education. That's what we teach. That's what we offer. And you're watching the results of it right now, live on this screen.
Now, let me speak to a specific group of people for a moment. There are people who will watch this video and their first comment will be, "This is fake. This is edited. Forex is a scam. Nobody makes money trading." And to those people, I want to say this with full love and full respect. Your mindset is the problem, not the market, not the robot, not me, you. When you see someone else winning and your first reaction is to tear it down instead of asking how, that is a mindset that will keep you broke, not in Forex, in life. Nobody is asking you to believe me. Nobody is forcing you to join anything. But if every time you see success, your first response is doubt and negativity, please ask yourself, what has that mindset done for your bank account so far? Nothing. The solution is simple, but it requires courage. You need to decide that you are willing to learn, that you are willing to be wrong about what you thought you knew, that you are willing to invest in knowledge the same way you invest in food and rent. Because knowledge, the right knowledge, pays you back over and over again. If you are ready for that shift, stay with me. We have a community, we have tools, we have mentorship, and we have results. The door is open. But if you are not ready, that is okay too. Come back when you are. We will still be here, still winning, and still willing to teach. All right, so if you are still watching, congratulations, you are already ahead of most people, because most people give up on something before they even fully understand it. Let me tell you what we offer and how you can be part of this. First, for complete beginners, if you have never traded before in your life, you are welcome here. We start from zero. We teach you what Forex is, how the market works, what a currency pair is, how to read a chart, how to use MetaTrader 5, and then how to set up and run the FlipDemon VX robot on your own account, step by step. No assumption that you already know anything. Second, for people who have traded before but are struggling, if you have been in and out of Forex, losing more than you win and you are tired of it, we can help you rebuild. Not just your account, but your approach, your mindset, your process. Because sometimes the problem is not the market, it is the strategy or a lack of one.
Third, for experienced traders who want to add automation and scale. If you already know what you are doing and you want to add a robot like FlipDemon VX to your toolkit and use JOJO to sharpen your confirmation process, we can integrate that into what you are already doing. Everyone is welcome. Every level is welcome. Every background is welcome. To get started, all our contact details are in the description below this video. There's our Telegram channel, our group link, and our WhatsApp number. Send us a message, tell us your experience level, and we'll take it from there. We respond. We are real people. We are here. We are coming to the end of this session, and I want to take a moment to thank you genuinely for spending 28 minutes of your time with me today. 28 minutes is not nothing. You gave me your attention, and I hope what you received in return was worth it. Knowledge, proof, direction, and maybe a little bit of inspiration. Let me summarize what we covered today. We started with a real account, $589, using FlipDemon VX, an AI-powered automated trading robot. The system placed 5 buy trades on XAUUSD gold, confirmed by the JOJO V8 market analyzer, which showed a bullish break of structure on the 4-hour time frame. And the result, by the time of this recording, was over $1,074 in floating profit, a more than double return in one session. This is what is possible when you have the right tools, the right system, and the right guidance. If today's video added value to your life, please like it, share it with one person who needs to see this, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a live session or educational video. And if you are serious about starting your trading journey or taking it to the next level, reach out to us. The links are in the description below. We are on Telegram. We are on WhatsApp. Come and find us. This is John from Richminded Skills, signing off. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay consistent, stay hungry. And remember, financial freedom is not a dream, it is a decision. Make it today. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.
Trying to get it right, but now I close my eyes and let the system flow. This is what freedom feels like. Now I know rich freedom's calling. Hear the melody of change. Numbers dancing upward. Life will rearrange. From the struggle to the breakthrough, from the pain to gain, every pip is a step closer, breaking every chain. This is freedom, this is life. No more struggle, no more strife. Rich freedom's here to stay. Automated dreams, night and day. I remember starting small, just 200 cash in hand. Scared of every movement, didn't understand.